Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to link your YouTube account to your Discord profile on PC. You can do this either on the application on your PC or you can do it on the browser. It's totally up to you. But once you're logged into your account, you want to go down to the bottom here where you see user settings. It's just that little gear tab right there. You want to click on that. And then you can go ahead and click under user settings. You can click on the connections option. And then here you'll see all the accounts that you could choose to connect with your Discord. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your YouTube. So you're just going to click on the YouTube icon here. And then it will pop open this on another screen. All you have to do is click on the YouTube account that you're going to use. And then you want to go ahead and click on the YouTube account. And then it's going to ask you to allow to connect to Discord. So it's basically going to view your YouTube account and see a list of your current active channel members. So if you want to go ahead and allow that, you just click on allow. And then here you'll see it's connecting to our Discord. And once it's connected, you could exit out of here. And then you see here that it's connected to your Discord account. It shows your account name. And then here you could give an option to display on profile. So then when people click on your profile, they can go ahead and get directly linked to your YouTube channel. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to connect your YouTube channel to your Discord. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.